Okay, depending on the length of your trip and everything, I talked to you. A lot of the packs, how you, the compression packets, they don't change. Whether it's 2 weeks or 6 months, it's six pair of socks. Okay, what are you going to do? Carry 2 months of socks? No. Someone made a joke the other day. Said, "Hey, listen, I was traveling with this guy. We were on a 2 month trip. He had like 2 months, like 60 pairs of underwear. He was prepared to, shit himself twice a day, basically. No, you find laundry rooms every so often, like we do in the real world back here. And so you don't have 60 pairs of underwears in your drawer and don't do laundry. So, anyway, it does depend. The setup that you've seen me go with, this is a Mystery Ranch pack, 45 liters. It fits really nice. It's not heavy at all. The computer goes in here while we're traveling, and then when I get there and we're going to the cafes, it comes out and goes in the day pack that I showed you here. But you can take a look. This is the Mystery Ranch 45 liter. And this, as I showed you just in the last video, is the OGHO trucker compartmentalized rolling duffel bag. It's about 100 liters or so. And, I'm going on this trip to Colombia. It's 3 months. Literally, I could probably have done this with just a roller. But, here again, if I'm flying Delta, they're going to give me 2 bags, so why not? And they're 2 easy carry bags. I mean, when you see these people dragging these massive duffel bags, no. These are nice compressed duffel bags, light backpacks. They get you around. This is the amazing lifesaver that I go with. It is the shoulder bag. And one of the reasons I use a shoulder bag is this. I can put it right here. I can put the backpack on, doesn't interfere with it, and I still got access to this thing. Boom, right there, as I'm dragging my OGO trucker through the airport. But what I carry in this, there's 3 pockets, or 4 pockets actually to this. In the main compartment up here, I carry, here's passport stuff. Passport bag, passport, entry levels, global entries, spare credit cards, everything goes in here. All the military stuff that you when you run into people out on the road. All my important documents, literally, this is it. If this thing ever gets lost, I'm done. I carry that, and then I carry like a waterproof bag here. This is just like real quick fix electronic stuff. Sitting in the plane, I need a quick charger for the thing. There's one in here. I also carry like a bicycle magnetic mount. Like if you're going somewhere and they've got bicycle share programs, works great for putting your the mount on the bicycle. Some extra headsets that are in here, just that kind of stuff.
What about that? Is waterproof too?
Yeah, I mean, this would be pretty waterproof, pretty much. I mean, right here, easy access right on the outside. Passport's right there, boom. Slides back in, ready to go. Slides back in the main pocket here. Okay, in the middle bag. Or the middle pouch. Prescription glasses, some pens. You always need a pen when you're traveling. This is a really handy thing. This is it's a stain pen. How many times you been at the airport and you get some ketchup? Remember, you're traveling with not a lot of clothes, right? And like everything counts. So this is a little thing here, a little pen stain thing. You can take off the ketchup thing. I always carry that right there. I do carry, these are some great microphones for audio if we're doing any posting. That's mostly the middle pocket. And then on the front pocket here, the go-to stuff. There's my wallet. There is a quick phone charger right there. Boom, just readily accessible. Here's a change purse. I do a lot of foreign currency in here. So, I've got dollars here. We'll have Colombian pesos that go right there with a little change thing when you start collecting all of those pesos or whatever you're doing. That it comes in handy. And that's really, and then the AirPods I would put in here as well. Same pack list every single trip. It's on the computer. If and the other reason I really like this is this: if the airlines start getting really, really, really fidgety on like how much gear you're bringing on the plane, like this, watch this. Okay, here's your shoulder bag, right? You do this. Who knows I have another bag? Got the backpack right here. Nobody knows I have another little bag on my side.
Or you can wear just a jacket.
Or you could wear a jacket or wear all your clothes on. That's a quick look at the TCopley Global Packing Solution. If you want to get a copy of the pack list, what I pack every single time, send me a DM and we'll do that. It's an Excel sheet. Anal retentive on this stuff, but it saves me so much time. Every time I travel, everything has a place, everything is accessible, and that's how I work.
Perfect.
See you in Colombia.
See you there.